Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back at Rapper. I know this is like pretty much like my second home right now. I've got my M4 today. We're going to be adding on a bit of carbon. In essence, the corners down here, they're going to be basically covered in carbon. I was hoping to get a carbon splitter, but the thing with my car is it's lowered on 20mm, and I know from experience a carbon splitter or any splitter on the car that's lowered is not going to last 5 minutes. So I thought I'd scrap that idea, but the front end does look a bit bare without any carbon, so I'm going to go and have those fitted. So the carbon parts have been supplied by a company called Carbon Parts UK. I'll leave all of their details in the description below, as well as wrap part as well. So if you're looking at getting your car wrapped, definitely check these guys out. There's a couple of guys back there prepping a bumper, and as you can see the type of cars that they've got going on. This is a Skyline GTR. There's the rear bumper of that one. Bentley, Continental, another Rolls Royce right at the back there. So they obviously know what they're doing. Yeah, definitely check these guys out, guys. So what I'm going to do now is show you the carbon parts and then do the install on the bumper. Obviously got a carbon spoiler already on the car. Here's the parts that we've got. So these are the carbon corners that I've just got from Carbon Parts UK, who have kindly supplied these. So in essence, they're going to obviously fit in there like that. There is a flap that you might be able to see underneath down here, which is going to come out. And in order to fix this onto there, we're going to try and use 3M tape and probably a bit of Tiger Seal and potentially some soft tappers that will go through the bottom of the carbon piece and attach to the bottom there. Right, so the idea is that you take out these three 8mm bolts, which are obviously located underneath this flap, so you get a bit of flex in the flap underneath. And then what we're going to do is just give it a bit of a clean with some alcohol and a bit of tissue or a cloth. Then you take your carbon corner, and the idea is that it's going to sit like that in the corner, like that. Now most of them come with like a bit of a gap down here anyway, so as I'm in like a wrap shop, we're gonna put a bit of a black carbon wrap just to cover that gap up, and then put a bit of Tiger Seal underneath all of this so that it doesn't slip anywhere. And then where we've got that flap under there, these nuts, we're gonna change these tappers for slightly longer ones and screw them into the same gap, so it's actually going to be quite secure. And quite visually, I think it already looks pretty mean. So we're just going to crack on and get this on in a bit more secure way. So what I've done is I've taken a small drill bit, one of these, like a drill screw, and managed to drill a hole at the bottom of each one of these side canards. And what that's going to do is, we've got this little flap here, which obviously I've taken the little screws out of it. That's going to bolt back in and is going to secure the canards in place going through there. So what I'm going to do now is get one of the wrap art guys, and they're going to put a little bit of a wrap just under here, just so that when these sit flush, there's no kind of white paint showing through. So one side is now done and it's looking absolutely amazing. I quite like this look. I know a lot of you will be saying I should have just gone for the full splitter, but when the car's riding on 20mm drop, it's going to come off as soon as I drive you out of here. So I think this was my next best option, and just by looking at one corner, I think it's looking pretty amazing. So we're going to go now and fit the carbon canard to the driver's side. I'm so made up how the M4 is now looking from the front end. It really sets it off, like those carbon bits. Literally makes the car look so aggressive compared to how it was before. Huge shout out to Carbon Parts UK for supplying these. Huge shout out to Rapport as well, who have given me the opportunity to come back here, use the unit, get these pods fitted to the car. If you, again, like I said before, if you're in the market looking to, you know, have some wrap work done, tinted windows, smoke lights, whatever, these guys, you know, they do it all. I mean, look, like I said before, you've got a Rolls Royce Ghost over there, you've got this Skyline GTR down there, you've obviously got my M4, they've done quite a lot of work to it, and you've got this nice Bentley Continental GT as well, a 2019 model. So they've got the whole kind of car scene covered. Definitely check them out. I'll drop all of their details in the description below, likewise for Carbon Parts UK as well. So hopefully guys, you found this video useful, enjoyable to watch, entertaining. Give it a like, share, subscribe to the channel for more content on not only the F82 M4 but also my G20 as well. There's some more parts arriving for that. I'm not done with that yet. So hopefully guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care, bye.